Podcast fan vlogs. Today I'll be showing you. I'll set up the stuff you will need for if you need to do some stuff with it. Here's the stuff that you can probably do. You must do is to where's my shoes at? Not here. No. Where is it? Guys, I don't even know where my shoes are. Comment down below if you've seen it. It's green and blue. It's a pattern. Let's see if we. Now. So we're first outside now. Here's what the sump pump should look like. Got this from Walmart. Not even sure how much it is because I didn't know. There's the little hose in there. Yeah, it is called a sump pump. It is super hot out today. I might actually edit it on the I'm gonna upload it on an opposite day, which is cold. Hot opposite of hot is cold. Fun fact: I spent a whole 2 hours watching YouTube. Funny fact today. Yeah, I look pretty cool and stupid. I'll show you a feedback of the pool. So the bottom liner is officially drained. Now we need to get the deep in. That is very low water. I'm using a tablet, not an iPad. Just the full pump, but it's still covered. And it's the middle of April, like I said, like a little bit ago when I see. I'm pretty sure I did a video just today. Yes. You might need an extension cord. Yeah. If it's a pool, probably. Well, we're definitely gonna need one. Where's my dad going? Oh! Let's go ahead and bring the sump pump in a minute, guys, to the pool. Guys, I'm excited. Let me know when you are ready. Well, I'm about to do it right now. Yes, we might even link. Guys, we might even link the pump link, sump pump link, so you can get a sump pump and have the exact same quality. If you have issues setting up, have a guide. Take your time to read it. The utility pump. Here's the manual. Just read it carefully. Pause if needed. Yeah, it's bad quality. Make sure to pause everything if you want to see it more. Yeah. Then we got this page. We got the next page, which we are going to be draining the pool and getting a new liner for this season. And I'll be trying. Yeah. That is it. There's some other stuff that we should probably not get into, like safety guidance and stuff. And if you get shocked, it is not our problem. Or if it explodes, it is still not our problem. Just contact Walmart. Walmart probably will give you a fund. He probably not. Probably not. Next. Cord.
I ran into it.
That's. Wait, here's the sump pump. Whew. Hotness out here. Oops. There we go. And yeah, the liner is already falling apart. Yeah. Can I walk in here real fast to show them? Dad? Hang on, guys. Dad! I can walk in to show them everything except the bottom. Yeah, it is getting wrinkled up badly. Oh. See, the liner is. Oh my. Yeah. I don't even remember this. We gotta get.
Don't flip. Careful. Very, very careful.
The rest. It is super bright. There is water down there. I will say there is water. And you can see that it's dripping out. It might be a little bottles. Yeah, see, it is just peeling off. Dad, guess what?
What?
I actually might have found a leak. I think I might have found a leak, maybe.
Don't pull that, Gus.
Sorry about that, Dad. I think I seriously found a leak.
Gus, don't pull on that.
I'm sorry.
It wouldn't be up there anyway. Did you pull that loose?
Yeah.
Look,
No,
you see
it
how
was
it goes?
loose.
This piece, you see how it's lit there? It pops up over there. Yeah. Look at this board. Oh.
Yes.
Oh gosh. That's rough stuff there.
Yeah, it's gonna have to get replaced probably.
I hope not.
Wow.
See what happens. When I plug this in and turn it on, I want you to be out of here. So, okay.
Turn it on. I'm gonna get out. Go ahead. Just for guidance. I am not close. Do not do it close. You can turn it on, Dad. Where my dad went. Bro. Can I be like next to the fence or no? Can I be right next? Is it loud? Plug. Plugged in. What do you mean you
Can
again?
you do me a favor?
Yeah.
We go in the garage, and you know where the light strip is by the door when you open it here?
Yeah.
You flip it on.
Yeah, hang on, guys. I'm gonna have to go in and do something. I'll count you down. Well, I'll walk out immediately when it starts. It's on.
Hey, can you also do me a favor and grab that rake and bring it to me?
Is it working? Where's the rake at?
I don't know, it's laying over here. There's water coming out of that rake.
Let me see. See here. Nope.
Buddy right here is
What hose? No. No, Dad.
why?
Well, I did it right next to the door.
It's running. It should be coming out. Oh, wait.
It's on. Guessing it's on. It's on. It stopped again. It's not coming out. Nope, nothing. Oh my goodness. It's on. It's flowing. It's flowing well, actually. Yes. Yeah.
It is coming out?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Man, I got my case. So much water. Like a glitching out. Yeah. Bye, guys.